Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link media in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I already have a video in my timeline, however, I'm going to add a bit more. I'm going to go into the edit page, and I'm going to add this video as well. I'm going to add it above this video, and it has this audio, which I'll just remove since there is no audio. Whoops. I'll just remove that, and as you can see now I have two videos up in my timeline, and I'm also gonna add a compound clip of some audio, which I'm gonna add over here. Whoops. I'm just gonna add this audio track right here. Now, as you can see, I can select each of them individually. However, I just want to link them, and the way you do this is you select the media that you want to link. For example, I'll select this first video with the second one, right click them and click link clips, and now they are linked, and I can move them around together, and I can only select them both at the same time and not individually. You can also do the same just by selecting another video, right clicking link clips, and now all three of them are linked completely without any possibility of individually interacting with them. To unlink them, it is literally the same thing. You just right click on the videos, click link clips again, and then they will all be unlinked. You can also, as you can see, press Ctrl Alt and L, and that's going to do the exact same thing, and that is pretty much all you need to do. It is as easy as that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.